What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making these chai tea keto bites using the new Primal Kitchen chai tea collagen keto latte drink mix. And we're just going to take our food processor. We're going to add a cup and a half of raw unsalted macadamia nuts. Then we're going to add a scoop of the chai tea collagen keto latte and a pinch of sea salt. We are going to pulse that in our blender until we get the consistency of a dough. We want to make sure you stop processing before you get to the consistency of a nut butter. You want it just to be like a thick dough. And then once we get that dough-like consistency, we're going to form balls. This recipe should form about 10 to 12 balls. And then we're going to stick them in the freezer for about 30 minutes just so they're nice and solid. And then on a plate, I'm going to pour about a cup of powdered monk fruit. And then to that, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cinnamon, about half a teaspoon of cloves, another half teaspoon of ginger, and about a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to spread that around, and then I'm going to take my balls and I'm going to roll them through that mixture. And that's it. If you like chai tea, then I'm sure you're going to love these. And if you want to pick up some of the Primal Kitchen chai tea collagen keto latte, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.